Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I just wanted to tell you what this playlist is about. Because I've split my channel up to multiple playlists, each with a different niche or category, I wanted to just give a little introduction to each one. So this playlist is going to be dedicated to anything related to Amazon FBA training or something related to online training like e-commerce. So Amazon specifically, because that's my main focus of work, but there'll be a few Shopify videos in there and there'll be a few eBay videos in there as well. But this whole playlist will be all about Amazon training. So if you're looking to start an Amazon business or you're looking to improve your current Amazon business and you want some insight onto how to do that or some cool ideas, then check out the videos in this playlist. I'm sure you'll absolutely love them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. And if you do like other things besides Amazon, like traveling or just life things or cars or books or anything like that, then check out the other playlists that are in my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the playlist hopefully.